Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Sky Network show. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. I'm excited today to talk to you guys after like 2 weeks. Last week, I was not able to join in. So, yeah, looking forward to this conversation. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes for everybody to join in and settle down. Once you are ready and settle down, please say hi in the chat and we'll get the conversation started. So, how are you doing, guys? Alrighty, we are live on Secure Chain YouTube. We are live on Secure Chain X. And one moment, I think we should. Yeah, now we are live on Facebook as well. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining in. Really excited day today. And yeah, let's carry forward the conversation. Please, guys, do say hi in the chat so I would know that everything is good and green. My voice is coming good, right? Yeah, I think this should make my voice come like voice sound even better. So please just say hi in the chat and let me know that all things are good. Then we'll get started. All right. I think we are at the right time. We are live on X. Fine. Give me one moment, guys. So I'll check. Meanwhile, please do say hi in the chat and let me know if everything is fine and we are ready to, you know, all right, so here you should be able to like see your messages once you put in. So make sure to put a message. Hello, community. Also, we will be taking questions today during the live show at the end of the session. So please do put in your messages. So here you can see if you can see the message, if you can see the like video and voice, everything is good and green. Say hi to the chat, and in any case also you can say hi. End of the day we are part of the same community, so thank you very much. Meanwhile, let's just get ready to start with the today's agenda. I think we'll give 2 more minutes to the community so they are able to join in. Let me put the final message in the telegram group as well. Alrighty. So yeah, I think we have 1 more minute to go. So first of all, let's just say hi. Those who have already joined us, please put in a message. And if you are new, we welcome you to our community. And I'll be, starting with the introduction, like short intro. We'll keep it low profile because many of us, I'm pretty sure that they are not joining for the first time and they are long-term community members. So, all right, those who are joining new, we are the Sky Network show is what we do every week. This is a show for Secure Chain AI community, and Secure Chain AI is no nonsense community owned blockchain project where we are trying to build the authentic network where we are not using any um, you know industry standard bullshit. Instead what we are you know going with is the right and sustainable approach, and that is something which is highly lacking in today's ecosystem as well, because if you will see, um, for out of 1,000 projects, it is like only one project out of 1,000 might be going for the success, and that also for the all the wrong reasons. I've seen, like, I mean, you guys also might have seen that, right? So what happens is, because blockchain is a very powerful technology for sure, it has the ability to transform lives. All right, Kirto, thank you for the message. At least now I know that things are going good. Yeah, definitely, I'll take your question in. So yeah, as I was saying, blockchain is a very important technology when it comes to decentralizing the finances, and finances have been a huge part of our modern day ecosystem, right? If you see banks or the financial institutions or the countries, they have never been 100% transparent. They have never been 100% honest. Every 10, like every decade, you will see at least one huge scam coming out of this centralized finance ecosystem. But with the help of blockchain, this can be solved. We can build a global ecosystem without the, like, I mean, which does not consider the borders, which does not consider the uh, person who is behind it. Instead, without any kind of bias to anybody, we can provide a decentralized system, and we can create that decentralized economy, and we can create that global economy uh, in order to provide to the people and the places where it is really hard, and which is very essential to get actually a good economy. So that is what we have been trying to achieve with this project. We have built this project on the core values of decentralization and democracy, and we do support both of them in and out. uh, so that is what brief about the project. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, what is the AI doing in this, all this thing? Like, all right, so AI is one of the proprietary technology which we have built with the secure chain AI, where we have built a security layer on top of a blockchain, okay, which does on-chain smart contract analysis. So which has been so that is a new technology which we have built. It's not like, okay, we are using some chat gpt API and created a AI model or AI assistant. It doesn't work like that. It is a the whole technology has been developed in house, and I think we are coming to the like we are at the edge of that transformation, where we are ready to take this technology and you know put it in the hands of public. So that's where we are. And I think like two weeks back, I updated the community regarding the new partnership which we are coming in with the evolve blockchain like evolve network, uh, where we will be building something called eva, that is eva will be an AI assistant with the power of blockchain. And so that is like technical part of what we'll be doing with the evolve. Like, and again, we are going into the partnership agreement when it comes to technology as well. So yes, evolve will be the first blockchain other than secure chain AI to get benefit from this to get benefit from our partnership. So that is there. All right, so next, this is one update. The another update I wanted to share with you guys is regarding CoinMask version 2, right? Because I mean, let's be frank, everybody from the community is waiting for it, and I can definitely understand that we have been. So I wouldn't say even we. I have personally been at the fault. So that is also something I wanted to talk to you about, guys, because last week I did something called Landmark Forum. Okay, and in Landmark Forum, there's a very specific, I mean, focus on being authentic and improving your integrity, and that is what I have been also personally working on myself. And when I was going through the program, uh, I got some many breakthroughs, and one of the thing which was holding me back was my commitment to community and not being able to fulfill it. And that was giving me a lot of guilt, and it was adversely affecting my productivity as well. So instead of missing those deadline, like, and yeah, everybody is Yeah, so everybody knows about it, right? So due to this delays, this is this was affecting me also a lot. And Yeah, so basically I started working on myself. Um, and thanks to Landmark, I got some tools which gave me an opportunity to look at my own blind spots and learn, like, learn more about myself, why the problem were there, and trying to resolve them. So that is though in progress, but again, I would like to take this moment to apologize to my community, because you have been there supporting this project in and out for more than a year. Though we had nothing at the start, um, like, thanks to your support, we could build, and we kept building, and we will keep building ahead. But I think this is the time I would like to acknowledge every one of our community members. So let's clap for every one of us. Thank you very much for being the supportive to Sky Network. And also, it's not just about being supportive, it's about being committed to taking it to the success. And that's what we are. I mean, no matter what, we are going to be making sure that this project stays there, keep growing day after day, day after day, for the longest time possible, be it like 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, because this is that is what actually makes the blockchain perfect. So many things might so many people think that, okay, for example, Bitcoin took 10 years, and it grew this much, or everybody judges uh, performance of a blockchain depending the price of that coin. But the price of the coin is not the thing which has okay. So Mr. Okay, guys, let me take a moment and answer this question, because I think I don't want him to wait for my this one to finish, then get his answer. So sorry for getting distracted a little bit, but I think he deserves the answer first. So, Mr. Skibidi, Ohio Sigma Result Coin official, right? Um, I'm sorry if, I mean, of course, this is not your name, but if you could provide your name, I would be happy to take it. All right. So he has been having a problem with his. Okay, the problem is with the Sky support team, and I think he has provided his wallet, so I think we'll be able to work out your exact issue. So thank you very much, and thank you for putting this question here, number one. And I will personally make sure that your issue gets solved. But okay, so okay, I think the issue which you are running out in is you have not been able to add the network in your wallet. So, for example, if I'll okay, but let's not do it right now on the show. But I think like that could be the problem. But again, do ping me on my Telegram, and we'll take it forward. Okay. So, thank you very much. Yeah, and also customer support is rubbish, right? Thank you for figuring that out, but it's not rubbish actually, but it is inefficient for sure. That Because we have such a large community and limited resources when it comes to customer support. So we will be moving the customer support also to CoinMask instead of our like separate support dashboard. uh, you guys will be able to access the support directly with the CoinMask. And without further ado, let's move to the CoinMask version 2 as well. So that is something which we can start working, like, I mean, start showing I can start showing the what we will be sharing. Transfer before I have main net. Okay, fine. Don't worry, Skibidi. Whatever the problem is, do shoot me, please do send a message on Telegram, and we'll figure it out. But one thing for sure, your funds will never not be with the like core team or the community, and if there are any issues, also solve them. So one thing for sure, no, and you can check this with anybody from our community. We have almost 800,000 users on. We had almost 800,000 users on our legacy app. So you can ask each one of them, and there would be never a person who would say that, okay, where are my funds, because they would have got it. What happens is, so many times, due to the lack of technical knowledge or confusion between, like, Sky mainnet. Okay, you can message on X also, that is fine, you are already using X, right? So due to technical confusion, sometimes, people confuse mainnet coins with the tokens on other chain, etc., etc. And this can happen, but we'll make sure that your problems is resolved. That is the best I can do. Okay, so thank you very much, thank you for your patience. And yeah, do message me. And I mean, of course, on the X, you can just put up a message on Secure Chain AI itself, and we'll take it forward from them. Okay. Now, if you don't mind, I would love to, carry on with the agenda, because we have almost another other people who are waiting for the next updates. So, all right, going ahead with the coin mask updates. So this has been so far. So this is not the just one version we have developed. Okay, so I am like, because this has been some time, right? And I have personally developed this coin mask version 2. I have developed uh, a new version of staking and mining app. Also, I have developed one more version on for liquidity stake, like kind of a hybrid liquidity come regular staking interface kind of a thing. Okay. And there were multiple reasons. I don't think that it is, I mean, that matters now, but reasons could be endless. End of the day, what happened was, we were not able to deliver the product on time, and that was one of the guilt which was affecting me quite a lot. And after this last week's program, I was able to, come out of it, and see through the opportunity, and getting the breakthrough when it comes, when it comes to building the next steps. So yeah, this is what we'll be sharing with. So this new version of CoinMask will have the this is our swap. Okay, so this is the dex which you will be able to use. Here you will be able to buy all the tokens which are available, buy or sell all the tokens which are available on Secure Chain AI ecosystem. Okay. And so for example, let's let me do W Sky to, okay, I think let me do W Sky to, uh, for example, Sky Dodge, right? Sky Dodge is being doing good. And so I mean, just to test this functionality, you can see that this thing is working fine. And how many of you, yeah, how many of you might be so what do you think about the interface, guys? So here you are getting the ETH, everything, like, here you are getting the chart data for Ethereum, that is, allowing you to take a better judgment when it comes to, like, make the learn more about the majority, like how the market is moving, etc., etc. And this is okay, for example, here you can see that our transaction has been completed. We got the swap, we got some 1.7 S doge for our 100 sky. So I think S doge is doing good. All right, so this is our swap. We will have the token explorer, where you will be able to get the latest price change, volume, liquidity. All right. So this is how, okay, this is because mainnet coin, it does not have contract information, but you'll be able to get, like, for example, this is again wrapped sky. Let me get, for example, Sky Dodge, right? So this is the Sky Dodge. So here you are able to get the token address, total supply, token type. Here in the security analysis, you will be able to get the analysis from the AI. Then here you can see the all the top holders. Okay, who is holding what percentage of the total tokens are held by which wallet, etc., etc. And I mean, this is so far. what we have. And going forward, there, again, here you will be able to see your holdings. I mean, this wallet does not have much holding, but yeah. So this is one thing. Then it comes to staking. So here, what you need to do, like every committee member, this is what you need to work on. So here, basically, you need to put your email address which you used for um, staking and mining application. Okay, or your, so here either you can do that, or you can. Okay, one second. Yeah. So basically, here you can put in your address, email address which you used for staking and mining application, for your creating your secure Sky ID, and you will be getting the verification code. Once you put the verification code, you will be able to see your, here in the staking overview. You will be able to see your old stakes, unstaked. If you have already unstaked, you'll be able to, like, already staked coins, you will be able to unstake them and withdraw the rewards. So this is what you'll be able to do, but what you will not be able to do is create new stakes. Okay, this particular part you will not be able to do it with the older ecosystem, because again, this would not be fair to those who have already staked, and those who are those people who want to stake Sky coins, they can stake it in the liquidity, like in the LP staking, instead of just going with this our regular old staking and mining program. We are creating this program because with the help of W Sky, we are like wrapped Sky, we are going multi-chain, and with when we are going multi-chain, the community has a very good opportunity when it comes to putting their money for the liquidity, and being able to generate the rewards out of that liquidity as well as taking. So it will compensate for the staking. And also, the thing is, it will boost our project. It will create a very good base for our project. So that is what we'll be doing the next. But as I said, the new staking will not be able to do, but those who have already staked will be able to claim their stakes, and work their way out. Also, though, you will be able to join in the evolve airdrop, or other airdrops which will be happening on the network. And yeah, this is what will this is what here we'll have a Skyburn tracker. Now, what Skyburn tracker will do is, basically it keeps track of all the skies which are burnt, so by the gas fees, as well as by transfer to the uh, dead wall, I mean, to the burn wallet. So, those who remember, we have had the announcement that we will be burning, like, total supply of the secure chain is 700 million. So we'll be reducing the supply by 100 million, by burning 100 million Sky tokens, which are from Sky ETH or Sky BNB. Okay, so not Sky Mainnet. So Sky Mainnet will only be burned through gas fees, because we have a deflationary mechanism where 50% of gas fees are burnt. So that will be there. I mean, still there is some issue. Because of that we are seeing 0 0 here. Otherwise, I think we have approximately, like, in some million Sky has been already burnt. So that is a good news. So stay tuned. Also, with the I mean, this will give us an opportunity to see the whole um, distribution of Sky on multi-chain ecosystem, right? Because so far, so we had only Sky Mainnet, Sky BNB, and Sky ETH. Going forward, we'll only have a Sky and W Sky, right? So there will be Sky Mainnet on, and then there will be W Sky, which will be Wrapped Sky. So Wrapped Sky will be available on other networks other than Secure Chain AI, and Sky will be available on the Sky network itself. So that's how. But again, this particular page will help us, get the total scenario, that okay, what's happening, and on which network how much Sky is there. So that is one thing. The second thing is, with this, going with the multi-chain approach, uh, that is also something we are ready to do. But again, that was one of the reason for delaying the CoinMask version 2 for one more, like couple of more weeks, because we wanted to add this particular part where we already have withdrawal, deposit, and rest. But then also we wanted to include the bridge here on this CoinMask version 2. But for now, we have decided that okay, we'll have the bridge. So bridge, we are planning to build something like a all bridge, kind of like API based bridge. Again, that is work in progress. I'll update you guys once it is done. But so the latest decision is that yes, we will not be adding the bridge to the CoinMask. Okay, bridge will stay as it is, and the new version of bridge also will be available on the same bridge.securechain.ai. Okay, so that is one update. I think we are done with the updates, and let me complete the call before. Okay, Skibidi, yes, please do message. And I'm sorry that you had to wait for 3 weeks, and that is unprofessional and should not happen. But I'll get to the bottom of it, and thinking we'll see that exactly what is the issue, because so many times it does happen that due to miscommunication, uh, the many times, not many times, like 90% of time there is no issue. But due to some confusion or some lack of information, it can happen. But don't worry, I will be there to support you. Okay, so yeah, thank you. Also, yeah, need to sort out the wallet migration from staking wallet to CoinMask, of course, guys. So that is what has been the biggest pain. Okay, I don't want to take that word, but you get my word point, right? The biggest point, like pain in ass, has been to move from legacy application to new structure. The problem is because when we created the legacy app, that was at the start of the project. We were not, like, we are out of time. We were ready for going into the public, and let's just say that. It was not optimal. Okay, I mean, for lack of the better word. But yeah, that has been the biggest challenge, and that was been one of the biggest reason for the delay as well. That what to do. Okay, for example, if I want to bring all those people from legacy app to the new app, I will not be able to, allow them to create new stakes before their older stakes. So again, let's not get into the technical part. But yeah, this was the problem, and which we have been tackling. And I think now we have came to the edge. Okay, so it's like okay, we our ship got broken down in the ocean, and we have been swimming to the shore, and it's just like okay, we are 500 meters from the shore, and we are tired. This has been a long journey, but we can see the shoreline now, and there's a lighthouse guiding us to the shore. And though we are tired, we are breathless. We have been working so hard. This has been 2.5 years in the making. We all have sacrificed a lot. Like community members has put in their money. There are community members who have put in their time. Personally, like I have put it myself, my money, time, emotions, and everything. Okay, so it is there. But we are at that stage now, guys, that that lighthouse is calling us. We can see the lighthouse, we can see the shore. We are going in the right direction for sure. That is one thing which never deviated. We never deviated from our goal. So yeah, that is what I mean. I just would like to say that you bear with us this long. Now it's just a matter of week. Okay, and yeah, we are ready. Also, guys, sorry, Kirito, I would have almost forgotten your question, but yeah. So I was just going through the chat one more time, and yeah. So Super X listing estimate, please. Yes, not just Super X listing, but also those who remember, we already have paid for JEX listing as well, right? XEGGEX. So that is also upcoming. So maybe again, this is my thinking. Please don't quote me on the dates. I will release the dates on the official channel for sure. But we are looking forward to once like list the W Sky. We start listing Rep Sky very soon, and not just on Super X, but also on JEX and multiple decks. And also we are in talks with one more exchange called Ubitex. So yeah, please stay tuned. I mean, we will update, but the you can expect the launch in the first week of April. Okay, so there is going to be 2 weeks of delay. The reason being, we need 1 week to figure out, like not figure out basically, to migrate. We need at least 2 weeks to migrate people from old staking to new staking. And I know there will be so much of confusion and all, because we have seen that before. And I don't want to go for the listing where when we are in that migration phase. So we want to complete this migration in this month by anyhow. Today is 15th April. By the first, sorry, 15th March, and by the 1st April, I want to make sure that we are out of this staking problem. Our CoinMask version 2 is working great, and our W Sky, Red Sky, is available on at least 5 networks. Okay, with liquidity and everything. It's not just one thing. Like, okay, creating token is very simple. Running the project makes sense, right? So yeah, yes, we can definitely help you recover your account from the old app. All you need to do is just here in the CoinMask version 2 account verification, you just need to have an access to your older email. That has to be there, otherwise, no problem. All right. So yeah, and also we'll cross that bridge when we reach there. So don't worry, we are I'm already trying to strengthen our support, because next week onwards, when we are in this migration, there will be a lot of people with a lot of questions, with a lot of support tickets. So we are anticipating that and already started working on it. So yeah, that is it for the day, guys. I think this has been a great conversation. And again, let me take this one moment to acknowledge every one of you, and thank you for being there, being support of this network. And thank you for taking this time out every Saturday 2 p.m. UTC. We'll carry forward this conversation. Thank you very much. Wishing every one of you a very, very, very happy weekends and a productive week ahead. And yeah, we'll see you everyone at the next Saturday 2 p.m. UTC sharp. Thank you, everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. And by the way, if you have any questions, feel free to put it in my Telegram or on the X Secure Chain AI message. Directly, you can message us and we'll take it forward. All right. Thank you.